Hey Max. All right, so it looks like you don't have a Facebook page or a website or anything yet. So that's the first step I would do for you is create a Facebook page because they're free, and then invite all of your friends to like it. You can just go here, invite friends, and you can select all and invite them all. And then I would also ask all of your employees to do the same and all your family members, and by doing that you can get to 1,000 likes in no time. That's what I did with my new business, and it helped take it off pretty quickly. But Facebook likes by themselves aren't going to really get a lot of new customers, just kind of a pride vanity metric. What will get you a lot of new customers is creating a Google business listing, which I think I described earlier. So let me show you. Cleaning company. Looks like you're located in California. All of these businesses, these are business listings. So this is what they look like. So you have to write a business description. You'll be able to get reviews. You can add photos. Everything. Pretty much the more filled out this thing is, the better it's going to rank. So you want to fill out the entire 750 characters for the business description. You're going to want to get more reviews than all of your competitors. You're going to want to have more photos than all of your competitors. And try to make the photos square so they're not super wide, so they look better. Usually I do before and after photos. Those work really well. Some other ranking factors is getting something called citations. So what a citation is it's like these types of websites: BBB, Home Advisor, Yelp, Groupon, Facebook, Punch, etc. Every time you get your business listed in these types of directories, it makes your business seem more credible, and Google will rank you higher in the map pack. Because the goal is, anytime somebody searches for cleaning company near me, or cleaning company Palmdale, or cleaning company whatever the city is, you want to show up #1 in the maps, and then #1 in the website organic traffic. If you do that, then you're probably going to get 50% of all of the traffic to click on your website, and you'll probably get 10% of those people to become a lead. So that, if you get 300 traffic per month, you're getting probably 15 to 20 new customers every month from that amount of traffic. So that's how a website and a Google business listing can affect your company long term. That's why I suggest usually setting those things up as quickly as possible, because time is another factor. How old the website is determines how well it ranks. It's really hard to rank a brand new website. But yeah, that's kind of the basic stuff. Besides, if you're interested in doing like a Facebook advertisement, I don't remember if that was you or not. For cleaning companies, I would target people with children personally. For a lot of other Facebook campaigns, I target people who are homeowners by targeting their interests of people who are interested in home improvement or landscaping. But for cleaning companies, I would try to target things that are a little bit more affluent, like for example, targeting people who have interests in golf. They're always rich, or people who are interested in more expensive, rich hobbies. If you put those interests for your target audience, that usually works pretty well, as well as targeting people who are interested in family types of things, because usually people with kids have a lot of messes and need cleaning up. And so those people, I think, would be your ideal target market for Facebook advertising, if that's what you're planning on doing. If you do decide to build a website, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to get you a quote for one. There's a lot that goes into SEO for the websites, and it does take a long time, depending on the search volume of the area and how competitive the area is. But in order to rank an entire city and area, you need to get a lot of things called backlinks and a lot of pages with lots of targeted content. But I can get into that next time if you're actually interested in a website. Let me know if you have any other questions. Be happy to answer any on a phone call. Feel free to reach out.